Hello! In this video, we'll be exploring the main features of our MNFair trip. To begin, we first need to log in. After logging in, click on Book Trip. You'll then be able to view our pickup address and our destination address. You also have the option to add your current location as well. When creating our minimum fare trip, we need to input a distance that aligns with our pickup address and falls within the minimum price range. Drivers set this minimum price from the admin panel. Here you can see our main fare price. For a sedan type, we can see the minimum fare is 35 rupees. On the user panel, you'll be able to see this minimum fare along with the estimated price. Moving on, we go to select the vehicle type, and then you can view the estimated price available even if the driver is nearby. After that, click on View Estimation button, and you'll see that our fixed rate is here, which represents our minimum fare. We can also define the base fare, fare for distance, fare for time, cancellation fees, as well as taxes. Additionally, you can see the pickup and destination addresses, as well as your distance and time. Next, we proceed to the service type selection, where we choose a sedan. Then we encounter the payment gateway options, which include cash and card payments. You can also utilize your wallet option here. For those interested in bidding, that feature is available too, although we won't be using it in this demonstration. You can also view a summary of all the options here. If you have a promotional code and wish to use it, you are free to apply it. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will not be applying a promo code. If you wish to apply a promo code manually, you can do so. We offer two buttons, Right Now and Schedule Drive. We'll select Right Now. Here, you'll see a fixed rate is available. If you choose the fixed price, which is 35, select Yes. Otherwise, if you prefer the normal fare according time and distance, click on No button. You can now see that our trip has been created successfully, and we're awaiting a response from the driver. Once the driver accepts our trip, we'll be able to view the driver's details, their name, contact number, rating, and you'll also be able to chat with them. We'll provide the vehicle name and plate number. Additionally, you'll receive the pickup location and destination address. You have the option to change your destination address, as well as view the service type and payment mode. If you need to modify your payment method, simply use this icon. We'll also display the status of your trip and offer options for split payment and trip cancellation. Currently, we'll avoid splitting the payment as we're opting for the minimum fare, which we've applied. It's essential to understand what the minimum fare is. It refers to the lowest charge for a taxi ride or transportation service, ensuring a minimum earnings for short-distance trips, event time, and resource allocation at a location. Our goal with the minimum fare is to ensure that a basic amount is collected from the customer for their journey. Next, we'll wait until the driver starts the trip. When the driver arrives at your location, we are ready to begin our journey. The driver then waits for us until our trip officially starts. As soon as we commence, you'll notice that our trip is underway, and we patiently await its completion. Once finished, you can see all the trip details. To view a detailed invoice, click on the Show Invoice button, where you can see all the fare details. We have options like applying minimum fare pricing. You can observe the ride chart and even see any extra charges or other fees involved. Additionally, we have the option to proceed to customer payment using a card. You can track all the status updates, from when we created the request to when it was accepted, the driver was en route, arrived, and then started and ultimately completed the journey. You are also able to view all the details of the trip, including driver, such as the driver's name, their number, your pickup location, destination, pricing, service type, and the specific locations involved. All this information is also accessible on our website. At the end of your trip, click on the Submit Invoice button. Here, we get the opportunity to go ahead and rate our driver. If you wish to give a tip to the driver, you can do so. Finally, we leave comments about our trip. After clicking the Submit button, we provide our review and rating for the driver. And with that, our fare trip is complete. Please be informed that the minimum fare is applicable to the service price. In the event that tax is added, the minimum fare will be calculated inclusive of the tax amount. However, if tax is not added, the price will be calculated according to the minimum fare. We hope you understand how the minimum fare is applied to our trip. This is the flow and its purpose. The purpose of defining a minimum fee is to ensure that a minimum amount is charged to the customer for the trip. This forms the basis of our explanation for the main fare. Thank you for watching. We greatly appreciate your time and value your interest. Thank you.